Is this thing working? I would like to say that the people who have supported me throughout all these years,
People who have loved my streams, watched my streams,
all the time that I've spent on streaming, making contents, I really do appreciate it,
I feel really proud of myself.
for who I am and where I am currently.
Hikari desu road, you lie deku vision, neppa yurari, oyoi deku mira. Hikari desu road, you lie deku vision, neppa yurari, oyoi deku mira. Omoi ukabu no kimi bakari, shokale ji sugita bakari. Heat waves ni mayou no sa, kimi ni shiawase agerarenai. Omoi ukabu no kimi bakari, shokale ji sugita bakari. Heat waves ni mayou no sa, kimi ni shiawase agerarenai. テレビつけて消さないように、僕らのこと考えないように。今日のハリウッド映画放映、僕らのことまるで遠い。幸せに君なるはず、僕じゃなきゃ可能なはず。道に広がる逃げ道、闇の中ではもう見えず。思い浮かぶの君ばかり、初夏0時過ぎたばかり。Heat waves に迷うのさ、君に幸せあげられない。戦えず息できず、愛とか言っていたって。
You know, guys, this is more than just a computer. This is a dream realized, a testament to hard work, dedication, and a passion for gaming. From discovering games in 2006 to discovering the world of streaming and content creation, I've never stopped chasing my dreams actually. And now, just because of you guys, I have been able to build my dream PC. And it's all thanks to you guys. So, thank you. I really do appreciate it. Oh yeah, and by the way guys, let me tell you guys something. Whatever happens in life, just don't stop chasing your passion or your dreams. Just keep on gaming and keep on inspiring others, okay?
君に幸せあげられない。君はどんな夢の中に満たされた笑み浮かべて、思い知る自分の無力、陰りない君の表情に思い浮かぶの君ばかり、初夏0時過ぎたばかり。Heat waves に迷うのさ、君に幸せあげられない。